Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. Here we have to sit. So good to remove. So right now we are in Alibaug. So we planned for an overnight stay here. I'm come with my sister and we took the 8 o'clock ferry. And right now it's 9 o'clock and we have just stopped at Starbucks for some refreshments and some snacks because we are hungry. And just look at the place. It is so beautiful. Like so silent and peaceful and calm. So we're really excited and we have booked a hotel that we will be going to shortly. I guess it is like 1 hour from here or something, and we've got a bike, so basically we're going to ride all the way. So this is a mango dragon fruit drink. This is a chicken puff burger and cold coffee. This is mine. So our check-in is at 1 o'clock. So till then we have come to this beach. It's called the Avas beach. And we are just sitting on a bench. Rochelle. So after 20 minutes we'll be leaving from here. The hotel is 50 minutes away from this place. So we have currently reached our stay. This is it. We have these nice small tiny rooms. This is like double. I think maybe for a family or something. So I'll give you a room tour. So this is our room, and this is a small sitting area. We have our own mini small balcony, and then as you enter in, we have a mirror. This is the room, TV. Closet space and a bathroom, and right here we have a wall painting. This is, I think, hand painted, and it is so pretty, like especially since I love the beach. I am in love. Like every stroke and everything, it is so good. So this is it. Nice small room, but I think it's very nice and cozy, and it gives a homely feeling, so that's amazing. And then we have windows too, obviously, and quite a few windows, I think. So we have here, we have there one window, then we have here as well as here. So that's it for our room tour, and right now currently look like a mess, so we're gonna change and then maybe order in some food because it is actually lunchtime. So yeah, so we have ordered some food, jeera rice, chicken kolhapuri and cold drink for now, and we are watching a movie. Okay, it's the same height. I don't know that side, but this side is the same. Chocolate time. Cheers. So we've come for a holiday and we are watching Bhagta.
Shah, we're not watching Bhagta.
This lady.
No. I'm
She
waiting
put
for
it-
it to end. I was watching CID.
What you were watching?
Shah.
What you were watching? CID. So we just had a shower and now we are resting for some time. After 15-20 minutes we are going to call for some tea or coffee, and we are planning to go to another beach, which is, I guess, 5 to 10 minutes away from this place. So we're ready and we're going to the beach. This is the fit. I just changed my pants. I wore the same top that I wore in the morning.
Did I come in the picture?
I think so. You came in the video, not the picture. Ready?
Yeah.
So we left to go to the beach right now. And since it's like not that far, we are walking towards it. I guess it is like 10 to 15 minutes away if you walk, and 5 minutes to 7 minutes if you go via vehicle. So we decided to walk like an evening stroll. So we finally reached the beach. This is the Nagao beach, and it is so silent and so empty. Like, not so many people. Okay guys, so I'm not able to find my ring. It was a very special ring to me. Like, it's always been with me always. Yeah, always been with me always. Sorry. But, and I can't find it. So I think I wore it before we left to go to the beach, and now I can't find it. Like, when I returned back on the way, it was not there, and it is like just like this one. This is my sister's. I'm so upset, but I can't remember. I know I wore it, but I can't remember if it fell or if I removed it or I kept it somewhere. Also, I'm too exhausted to actually search it in case it's somewhere in the room, or it, fell somewhere in the room. I don't know. Take your ring. Hopefully I find it. But I have bought a similar kind of a ring when I went to the Bandra fair, so I think it's the same type. So I do end up having a spare. But still, that ring has been with me, I think, for many years now. I had got it during one of the Bandra fairs only, and ever since it's been with me. So cheers. Cheers. This food is so tasty, it's hitting. I mean, I don't get it. Like, these prawns are like
My family loves working. Celebrate.
too good. Or maybe I was just hungry. But look at Cobia. How's the food? Crazy. It's amazing. Good morning. So it is currently 9 o'clock. We woke up around 7:30, 8 o'clock, and we just had breakfast and coffee. So our checkout time is 11 o'clock. So we have to just do some bit of packing. Like, the whole room is kind of in a mess. We have clothes everywhere. So we just have to pack that up, and yeah, we will be leaving in the next 2 hours, and we'll be on our way back home. Wow. I mean, I think definitely I required this. I mean, you know. Oh. It was a nice place actually. It's quite silent. I mean, it does have, those tiny small roads that you have, like almost like in Goa, and it gives a nice feeling. Not too many vehicles unless you're on the main road, and it's quite a silent place. So I definitely required something like that. Also, shout out to this place. The staff is too good, and the food was amazing. They did not disappoint. Also, it is a very budget friendly place. So in case you happen to come here, then you can come and check this place out. I think I've had a wonderful overnight stay, and I'm dreading. I don't want to go back, but we have to. So yeah, enough of blabbering. We have to start packing. So guys, now we are checking out. Another fact, I found my ring. It was fallen in the bag. I'm going to end the vlog here. I hope you all liked the video, and if you did, please make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.